Hi guys, if you are worried about your listening and reading skills, don't worry about that because in today's video I'm going to give you listening and reading skills tips, and after watching this video you will definitely get high score. Whatever is your score requirement, band 5, 6, 7, but I'm 100% sure if you watch this video till end you will definitely get and follow these tips also. You will definitely get score 8 in your IELTS listening and reading exam. So follow these tips and watch this video till end. And after watching this video, your all worries, your all tension and your all stress will go away because these tips are very useful to you all. And if you like this video, watch this video with your friends and like this video. And if you are the new viewer, then please be sure to subscribe my channel. And if you are already my student, then please write me down if you have any question, query, and you want any idea from me. And now let's start. My first tip is to all of you is write all your answer in capital letter, because sometimes when we use the small letters, the people cannot understand that letter very quickly or efficiently because sometimes it's look like a cursive. So use capital letters clearly. Number 2, use the checking time at the end of each section in reading question marked in the next section. So always use the checking time. Number 3, use guesswork. Yes, use your guesswork. Try to attempt each and every question by using guesswork. If you have missed any question while listening to the track, as there is no negative marking in IELTS for the wrong answers, and it could be possible that your prediction, your guess is correct. So always use your guesswork if you missed any answer, okay? Number 4, do not focus on spellings while writing the answers on question booklet, okay? Do not focus on spellings. Why? Because you can check the spellings at the end of the test while transferring your answers on the answer sheet. So, do not focus on spellings while writing, okay? Tip 5 is check the instructions. You know why? Because instructions also have some clues. Like if the instruction is in the plural, like singular, it looks like number. Like this is the example, number or numbers. If there's a number, yeah, book or books. Book means singular, means only one, or numbers means plural, more than one. So always check the instruction to see if you can have a singular or the plural instruction. Number 6, again very important, if your answer is correct but you spelled wrong, the answer is marked wrong. So always checking time is there. So always check your answer. While transferring on answer sheet, please be careful and always use capital letters so that you can clearly check the spellings, because if your spelling is wrong, then answer is still wrong. Number 7, don't try to understand everything. Yes, don't try to understand everything because IELTS will add lots and lots of extra information, but you only need to listen for answers. Keep yourself focused on listening for answer to questions, okay? Just focus yourself. Don't try to understand each and every line. Number 8. Answer may come quickly or it may be come late. So you might get 3 answers in very short time, or it will delay, it will come little bit late, it will come little bit longer. So always get ready to write your answer down quickly. Always ready. Don't be relaxed. Number 9. If you miss the answer, just move the next question. Okay, if you miss the answer, just move the next question, because don't waste your time to think about that you missed this answer or you missed that answer, because you have time to use your guess. And don't panic if you missed your answer, because if you will feel panic and if you will get distressed, then you will be distracted and your other answers will be wrong. So don't miss the answer. If you miss it, then it's okay. Move forward, move on the next. Number 10 is concentrate, because 30 minutes is long time to stay calm, actively listening to the answers. So please do practice. If you lose focus, you will miss answers. So build your concentration. Concentration with lots and lots of practice. Okay, do practice with American accent, Canadian accent, British and Australian. So use the different kinds of accents listening, okay, because this is very useful if you will practice lots and lots of listening lessons. So try to get practice many listening lessons, many listening recordings of different accents. Okay, this is very important. And concentrate, because 30 minutes is long time. So these all are the important listening tips for your listening exam, and I'm 100% sure if you follow these tips and tricks, then you definitely score band 8. Yes, and when you get your band, then please share with me. And if you want to share your speakings and if you want to share your listening results, reading results, writing results, then write me down in my mail ID getsuccess66@gmail.com. And if you are the new viewer, then please be sure to subscribe my channel, because it motivates me to work even harder for you guys. And if you are already my student, then please write me down in my comment section if you need any idea, any kind of